Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put the S go to the right. This one will go to the left. Next, I will put this one go to the left. Next, we need to change the sign of this one. Next, I will put B equals to this one and Q equals to this one. So we have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of B with respect to S. So we do first the derivative of S squared. So we have 2s. Later that, we do first the derivative of sine sy. We have y cosine sy. Because first the derivative of sine, you got cosine. Later that, we do first the derivative of sy. That's why we have y in here. And this one, we put s squared y cosine sy. Next, we have ds. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to y. So we do first the derivative of cosine sy, and we have negative s sine sy. Next, we do first the derivative of y. We have number 1. Later that, we do first the derivative of sine sy. We have s cosine sy. Because first the derivative of sine, we have cosine. Later that, we do first the derivative of sy, so we have s. So this one, we can write into s squared y cosine sy. This one, we have negative 2s sine sy. And we see that this one is same with this one. So we can say this is about exact. Now, we need to set up about the function fsy equals to the integration. So I will choose about this one in here. Plus 3sy. Next, the integration of sine sy of dy in here. You got about s squared 1 over s, and we have cosine sy. Because first the derivative of this one, you got about negative s sine sy, and later that we return back to this one. The integration of 2y, we have y squared Next, this one we simplify. Now we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to s. So we do first the derivative of s in here. So we have number 1. First derivative of this one, we have negative sy sine sy. This one we don't have s, so you got 0. And we know that this one equals to this one. Now we need to simplify for the both sides. And you got 0. Later that, we put the integration for the both sides. And we have seen here. So we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, we have gsy. And gsy equals to c. And we know that this one equals to fsy. Fsy equals to c. And now we need to simplify. And we got the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.